Welcome. In this video, we will demonstrate how to assign structural design codes and geotechnical load combinations in DeepEX. DeepEX supports a wide range of international design standards for both structural and geotechnical analysis. From the Design tab, we can specify the structural design codes for concrete, steel, and timber members. Available standards include Euro codes, US, Canadian, Australian, and many other international design codes. During the analysis, DeepEX automatically performs all structural checks according to the selected code. Once the analysis is complete, we can select any structural member in the model and open its calculation report to review the detailed design equations, code checks, and verification results. From the Analysis tab, we can define the geotechnical load combinations used throughout the project. For a single design case, we simply select the desired standard and choose the required load combination. The assumptions table is automatically updated, displaying the partial safety factors associated with the selected design approach. Alternatively, the multiple option allows us to generate all load combinations defined by a selected design standard. DeepEX automatically creates linked design sections, assigning a different code combination to each one. After the analysis is complete, the program compares the results from all examined load combinations, allowing the governing design case to be identified quickly. DeepEX also supports fully customized load combinations. By selecting the user-defined option, we can modify each partial safety factor manually and create project-specific geotechnical load combinations. DeepEX gives engineers the flexibility to design according to international standards while fully supporting project-specific requirements and client specifications. To learn more, schedule a demonstration with our engineering team.